You trying to get me to snitch. Okay. The reason why female, it's not something that happens that we want to happen. It just happened. I know in a sense I was dating this guy, you know, and he would always ask like, y'all got something going on. I'm like, no, we just fucking friends. Like, ew, no. Me and him break up. 3 months later, I'm talking to the other nigga I told him he ain't have to worry about. It's just like, it just be happening. And like sometimes like the guy be there for you when your man ain't. And it's like they say the right things that you want to hear, and you all of a sudden you fall for them. And it's like, fuck your old nigga, I'm finna move on to this nigga because he knows exactly what the fuck to say. Like, it's lit. That's why I do it. Honestly.